I used to be obsessed with the numbers. I used to refresh my YouTube constantly, check if I made a sale. I was convinced my value was measured by how many people are viewing me. 100 views feels like a failure, and it still does today. And just getting one sale on a job, I feel like a chud. I feel like I'm worthless and I have nothing to provide. But this video, this whole channel isn't for everyone. It's for me and the viewers that appreciate it. It's really for you, the one who's watching it. If my journey, stitch by stitch, helps you just even a little bit, if you get a little bit of hope, I have accomplished something. It means I've accomplished my goal in helping another human being. I've helped my goal. I've achieved my goal in providing value to someone. It's very easy to get caught up in the numbers and the likes and the views. This is how one view is more than just enough. One view is all you need. One view can be the change for someone else's life. For years, I was paralyzed by the question, what will people think? What will other people think of me? What are people going to think when I post a YouTube video? What are people going to think about the pants I made? That fear of judgment combined with pressure, it's a mental cage. It puts you into a block, and it's not healthy. It really limits my creativity. It limited my creativity, limited my ability to speak and to convey how I feel. And I mean, it's really doom mentality. It was dooming me from the start. Just always posting, will others like this? Will other people like this? I never thought of, am I helping someone? And in that exhaustion, I was always looking for the next viral video. Is this going to be the next one? Is this going to be my hit? Am I going to get 1 million views from this? And you know what? I hit 1 million views on my TikTok. Dopamine lasted maybe a day, maybe a week. But after a month or two, I stopped posting all in all, and I was like, this is just, it's fun and games and all, but it provided no value to me. It was a stupid like meme TikTok. Maybe it made a couple people laugh, but I didn't feel any much better. I wanted to get another dopamine hit, get another 1 million view TikTok or whatever it may be, but my success is now tied to how many views I'm getting, and that's a complete wrong mindset, honestly. What I started doing, what I've been doing, is treating YouTube like a diary. You know, I appreciated the videos my parents kept of me when I was younger, and I can reflect on them. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm making a diary for my future self. I'll look back and look at the journey, and I'll see how far I've came. In the future, I'll look back at these videos like, wow, I really came from something. I really came from nothing. Quite literally, 1 view is enough. If it gives you the permission to start, the courage for you, if my video helps you see that you don't need to be perfect to start a video, if my video gives you the message you don't have to be perfect to start sewing, my job is done. I just want to convey that my journey isn't exclusive to myself. Other people can do it too. I didn't just learn how to sew and I became amazing at it overnight. I'm not even the best, but I think I have enough to teach people and to show people. And that's what I love doing. I love to show others my progress, and I love to show the world what I have to offer. But in a less selfish way, I want to help others. And secondly, if you feel some sort of validation from this, realizing that you can do it, you're not the only one, because I thought I was the only one. I'm not the only one posting YouTube videos. There's many people out there. So if I can do it, if I hit 1,000 subscribers, you can easily do it. All I did was post videos constantly for a month straight, and it got me 1,000 subscribers. Imagine the amount you could do in a year, in 2, 3, 4 years with constant growth. You'll see success. And I know what you're thinking. What do you get out of this? Where's the money? Honestly, there's zero monetization on this channel at the moment. Money isn't a real thing on YouTube. For me at the moment, it won't be until you hit 100,000 subscribers, you're getting views constantly. That is not my goal. At the moment, money is not the goal. It's to be consistent. You have to be consistent in your craft and showing up every day. And the results will come in effect in result of your habits. So building strong habits for myself, making sure I'm coming here every day, I'm recording a video, I'm editing a video, I am putting one more lottery ticket into the system so that it can provide success. But that's not the goal. I just want to help people. I want to help myself. This is my diary essentially. I'm separating the act from creating and expectation. I'm not creating to expect views. I'm creating to expect better output from me. I'm creating to expect a better performing in the sense of how I manage to edit, how I'm speaking, what I'm talking about, more entertaining. I'm trying to provide as much value as I can to you, the audience, that you will feel the need to come back. You'll feel the need to comment, say, hey, I try to do this. Thanks for this advice. That's what really makes me feel accomplished, when I read a comment and it says, you know what, I'm investing into you, or the way you did this, I tried and it worked, or I really appreciate and I see your grind and I'm motivated by it. Seeing other people say those things is more rewarding to me than 100,000 views, 1,000,000 views. That dearly. It is crazy what society will put on you, that you're only successful if you have views, but it's not the case. It truly, you don't feel like, you will feel the dopamine of 1,000,000 views, but you'll feel the reward when someone comes back and says, thank you for that advice, or what you did was cool, I tried it and it was really cool. That's what's really rewarding. So if you're that one person who watches my videos, you find anything a little bit remotely just helpful, just leave a comment. Honestly, just let me know your thoughts. I really want to help and grow and document everything in my life. And I want this comment section to be a testament to the fact that we're not alone. We're in this together, honestly. We're trying to help each other grow and to become better. But anyways, I used to refresh a page obsessed with numbers and views, and now I talk to my camera and sit on my sewing machine, just trying to connect with you as a viewer. If this video has helped you in any way, if any of my videos have helped you in any way, then my job is done. It's enough. It's better than hitting 1,000,000 views. It's my reason, essentially. So I appreciate all the help, all the support, all the, the contributions, and, the messages and the criticism, everything, even the good and the bad, it's appreciated. So truly, it's humbling to be posting so much videos of myself on the internet, but it's really rewarding. And I wish that all of you could experience the same thing, honestly.